Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable always on display on the Oppo A5x. Since the Oppo A5x does not have an AMOLED screen, so it does not support always on display within the settings app. But if you want to get the always on display feature on your Oppo A5x, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Draw over the apps. Now from this app list, just select the Movies Edge app. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back. And from here, just select AOD. And on this page, just select the Always on Display style which you like. For an example, I will select this one. Now to apply this always on display style, just tap on apply. Now if you turn off your smartphone, as you can see, we have successfully enabled always on display on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable always on display on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.